Hello everyone, welcome to the Analytics Mastery Club. In last session, we learned two techniques, share of wallet and share amongst handlers and its applications. The objective of this session is to learn return on investment analysis for brand or marketing campaign, and we will learn benefits associated with using this measurement. Well, the first question which arises is, what is marketing return on investment? Well, marketing return on investment is exactly what it sounds like, a way of measuring the return on investment from the amount a company spends on marketing. Moving on, how we will calculate marketing return on investment? Well, we will learn simplest way of calculating return on investment. Suppose Amazon has Big Billion Day sale every year in month of August and total sales for that month is $10 million. Marketing manager this year decides to launch marketing campaign to increase sales. He launches various digital campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. Total cost of marketing incurred is $2 million. And due to this campaign, total sales of Amazon becomes $20 million. The formula for marketing return on investment is sales growth minus marketing cost by marketing cost. So, sales growth is equal to new sales minus old sales, that is $20 million minus $10 million, which is equal to $10 million. Marketing cost is equal to $2 million. So, marketing return on investment is equal to 400%. Thus, we can say that return on investment of marketing campaign is 400%. Moving on, the applications of return on investment analysis are as follows. Firstly, tracking effectiveness of campaign. This analysis helps marketing manager in tracking effectiveness of campaign. He can compare return on investment of one campaign with return on investment of other campaign. Secondly, compare with competitors. Marketing manager can compare return on investment of his campaign with competitors' return on investment to design more effective marketing campaign. Finally, holding accountable. Most of the companies hold marketing manager accountable for return on investment of his marketing campaigns. This helps companies in deciding marketing budget. So, we end our session here. In this session, we learned how to calculate return on investment and its applications. In next session, we will learn most important technique in marketing analytics, that is, next best product analysis. Thank you.